Image tagging is the one of the core aspects of the Delice application that makes it really powerful. In order to add or modify the text for the image, we need to select the image by right-clicking, open the menu and go to the tagging window. The tagging window consists of two main sections: the section with the tags and the section with the image. There are two types of tagging that can be added to an image. One type of tagging will go on the image level. In other words, all the tags that added to the image is actually added to entire image. You can see it by already seeing a little box with a text and activate button. We will talk about that a little bit later, but when you start tagging the image and add the tag right away, you will see that the tags added on the top region, let's say. We can add another tag. So these tags are added to the image level. Usually you add these tags in case if you're interested in entire image. However, you can also add tags to a specific regions. Let's say we want to separate the raccoon here and we want to separate two rocks here. So then, in order to add the tags that actually related only to a region, we can just click and drag the mouse around the region we are interested in, click it, and add the tag raccoon. And maybe another tag. Then we can click away, drag another box, and maybe right away another box, and add another tags like rock, and here rock. Every region, including the entire image, are operating in two modes, basically the activated mode and not activated mode. When the region is activated, you will see a white rectangle around it, and on the list of the tags here you will also see the region also selected. When the region is active, it means that when we add the tags to the region, the tag will be added to this particular region. Let's say we add another tag, and you will see to this region we added another tags. We can also remove the tag by clicking on this bin button. It will be also removed. For cases when there is a lot of rectangles on the image, you can actually go over the list and activate the rectangle just from this list and work with the tags here. Apart from adding the region and assigning tags to this region, we can also add a little text node or maybe a text reference to each region. Then this text will be displayed on the mood board later. So to add the text reference, we go to the section with the regions and tags associated with region and click the text button. Then we add the text. Now you will see when you edit the text, the save button will be in a square brackets when the text should be saved or it's changed, and there will be no brackets if the text is already saved. Now, for instance, we could add a region, and let's say we actually are not interested in this region. We can easily remove it by clicking right click on this region and choosing remove button. Now to showcase how the text actually works on the board view, we'll go to the board view, we will choose the raccoon animal, and let's generate the board view. Okay, now you can see that we see the entire image, but we don't see the text. And this is because when we choose some particular tag, in this case raccoon, the Delice will actually search for any image that have or the tag level or on the image level or the tag on the region, and it will be displayed on the board. To see the separate region of the raccoon and text next to it, we need to set individual ROI and regenerate the mood board. Now we can see that along with the image of the raccoon, we also have a little text node rendered just next to it.